Being a property manager is not for the faint-hearted. As you know, it takes an abundant amount of time, patience, and most of all, hard work. And although it can be a very successful occupation, it never hurts to have a helping hand assist you with your tasks. This is where a cloud-based property management software or property management system comes into play. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney, and I'm a landlord and real estate investor here to help you out. Now, a quick disclaimer that I do work for DoorLoop, and this is the DoorLoop YouTube channel. But in this video, we're going to be going over exactly how these tools will benefit you and share some of our top picks in the industry. First, let's start by covering the benefits of property management tools. All kinds of online property management services have the potential to assist you with the large collection of duties that are included in property management. A high-quality property management software should be capable of handling rent collection, tenant screening, and application management, listing properties and scheduling showings, streamlining maintenance requests, and many more property operations. Now, when done manually, a property manager can spend hours upon hours completing these tasks, leaving little to no time for more important things that need to be taken care of. However, the right rental property management software should shrink the time needed to complete all these tasks from hours to minutes, all in the same place. That being said, every property management software that you come across is going to be slightly different. Some questions you may ask while evaluating software are, is there a free trial? How easy is it to use? What are the fees that have to be paid? Is training provided? And apart from asking these questions, you should also be searching for accessibility, ease of use, cost, and security. So now that you know what you're looking for, here are our top 5 picks for the best cloud-based property management software. First on our list is DoorLoop. DoorLoop is excellent for all-in-one property management. DoorLoop is a complete property management software that provides all the necessary tools that property managers or independent property owners would ever need to grow their business. With DoorLoop, you'll have all the resources that you'll need to manage your number of properties, whether it be 1 property or 1,000 properties, all in the cloud. DoorLoop has been ranked very highly on various websites, including Capterra and Software Advice. Some of the leading reviews describe how easy it is to use and how it has very high quality customer service. Some of the other reviews also praise the low pricing model that allows users to get a full suite of features for a very low price compared to other choices on the list. Some of DoorLoop's most prominent features include a complete property accounting suite. This allows you to automate online rent payments, accept multiple payment methods, and organize all your accounts in one place. A convenient tenant portal where you can automatically collect rent payments and even communicate directly with tenants from the app. Maintenance order management system, including everything from a centralized order database to the ability to edit orders in the queue with notes and attachments, assign to vendors, communicate with the tenants, and pay the vendors all from within one platform. World-class support. A dedicated account manager trained to help you get the most out of the software will respond with any issue within minutes. And yes, that means you will be talking to a real human being. And an owner portal that allows you to print checks and offer specialized reports that owners can print out. These features plus many more can be at your disposal by signing up for DoorLoop's all-in-one property management software with the link in the description. Let's talk about DoorLoop's pricing. So DoorLoop's basic plan is just $49 per month for your first 20 units. Yes, it is that affordable, which is just another great reason to click the link down below to set up a free demo with a live human being who can answer all your questions and show you the software. So once again, make sure to click that link down below. Second on our list is Property Manager Cloud, which is excellent for cloud-based property management. Property Manager Cloud is a cloud-based property management software that is designed for property managers who handle any number of units. This software covers the majority of rental properties and gives rental property managers the tools to automate many of their daily tasks. Let's talk about what users are saying on review sites. Property Manager Cloud has been rated highly for its intuitive design and easy-to-use design that allows new users to learn how to use the software very quickly. Now, I strongly encourage you to read reviews yourself on sites like Capterra. Property Manager Cloud has many features to help property managers, including accounting features, credit checks, lease agreement creation, online payments, portfolio management, and several more. So let's break down their pricing. The pricing model for Property Manager Cloud is a flat rate starting at $19.77 per month for 1 to 10 units. Then it goes up to $27 for 20 units, and so on until you have over 100 units at $87. All their plans include all their features, and they do have a 30-day risk-free trial. Next up on our list is Tenant Cloud, which is excellent for tenant-landlord relations. Tenant Cloud is another rental property management solution that's completely based on the cloud and serves to ease the amount of work that property managers have to worry about in their daily lives. It also provides a plethora of accounting, advertising, and invoicing capabilities with the same software. This allows property managers to keep several aspects of their business all in one place. Many of the reviews of Tenant Cloud software are actually from tenants who describe how easy it is for them to communicate communicate with the landlord, and how the transparency makes it easier for them to maintain a healthy relationship with the landlord. But once again, I really encourage you guys to go read reviews for yourself on sites like Capterra. Tenant Cloud's features include, but are not limited to, billing and invoicing, contact management, lease management, online payments, and property database. The pricing model for Tenant Cloud software starts at $15 per month when billed monthly and goes up to $50 per month with additional features. Tenant Cloud also provides custom plans for businesses that are interested in more features than provided in the other plans. Rentalfy is up next, and it is excellent for cost-effective solutions. Rentalfy is a web-based property management software that has a good set of features. This cloud-based software offers features that are sure to assist any property manager in their daily tasks. There is no installation needed whatsoever, as it's completely based on a web browser and is completely run by Rentalfy resources. As far as reviews go, Rentalfy ranks very highly among all the software on this list because of reported ease of use. This means that it's easy for new users to figure out how to use the software in as little time as possible, saving people a lot of time. But once again, I do invite you to read your own reviews on sites like Capterra. Some of Rentalfy's most notable features, among many more, include billing and invoicing, owner portal, credit check, online payments, and lease management. If throughout this video you've been more curious how each of these features actually work, then I'll leave a link for you to learn more about DoorLoop's feature set, which will help you learn how they generally work as well. So on to Rentalfy's pricing. The pricing model is one that's a flat rate per month, starting at $24 a month for up to 25 units. The plans increase in price as they provide more features and coverage for more units and go up to $159 per month, the most expensive plan that covers unlimited units. They also allow you to add more features to each plan for an additional $5 a month. And depending on which plan you choose, there's either a 15 or 30-day trial. Lastly, we'll cover iManageRent, which is excellent for DIY landlords and property managers. iManageRent is another cloud-based property management software that is designed for landlords with any number of properties. This software also offers information from various websites like Zillow to give their user a more complete page of listings. iManage has ranked highly in terms of customer reviews among the softwares on this list, and you can read all the reviews on a site such as Capterra to get a full picture of what real users are saying. Although many of iManageRent's features come at an extra price per month, some of its most useful features listed include commercial property management, late fee calculation, credit check, rent tracking, and maintenance orders. iManageRent's pricing model is slightly different than the other ones listed in this guide, since they charge per feature per month. The basic package is free to users with limited features. Those are our best picks, but the best choice for you depends on the needs of your business. For most businesses, however, all-in-one software is what would most likely work best. This is because of the capability to maintain all aspects of the business in one place, as well as keep up with any amount of properties that are needed. If this sounds like the kind of software that would best suit your business, then DoorLoop should be your first option to consider. Schedule a free demo today to see what DoorLoop can do for you with the link down in the description. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and you can click here at this playlist for more property management tips. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!